Hello everyone, welcome back to SlideUpLift. Today, we're diving into a super efficient way to turn PDFs into fully structured PowerPoint presentations using the power of AI. This process will save you hours of formatting. You'll get a bonus tip at the end to sharpen your AI prompts for even better results. So, let's jump right in. Step 1. Upload and convert PDF using AI. First, take your PDF file and upload it directly to either ChatGPT or Google Gemini. Then, ask the AI to convert it into a readable format, such as a DOC or plain text. You can use a prompt like, convert the content of this PDF into a plain text document, or extract the text from this PDA and format it as a doc. Step 2. Generate and verify presentation outline. Once you have the readable text, stay within ChatGPT or Google Gemini. Now, ask the AI to generate an outline for your PowerPoint presentation. For example, generate a slide deck outline from this document. Summarize and structure it into 5-10 slides. Take some time to review the generated outline carefully. Fine-tune it as needed. You can ask the AI to shorten, summarize, reorder, or adjust the tone and flow of the outline until you're satisfied. Step 3. Ask AI for VBA code. With your finalized outline and slide content in mind, which you might have further refined with the AI, ask the AI to provide you with the VBA code. You can use a prompt like, create a VBA macro that generates a PowerPoint with this content, including slide titles based on the outline, and uses custom colors. You'll receive a VBA code that you can later edit for further customization of fonts and backgrounds. Remember, you can edit the font type, size, color, and background color within the code. Be careful to only change these visual details and not alter the underlying structure or flow of the code. Step 4. Common VBA errors and how to avoid them, plus AI code warning. Keep in mind that code from AI like ChatGPT or Gemini is a great starting point, but it often requires a bit of troubleshooting to run perfectly. This is because the AI lacks the real-time context of your specific PowerPoint setup. Be prepared to encounter and fix errors. Object required. Error with this often happens when the VBA code tries to work with something like a slide or a shape but hasn't properly identified which specific slide or shape it's referring. Type mismatch. Error. This means you're trying to put the wrong kind of information into a container. For example, trying to put text into a container that expects a number. Subscript out of range error. This is like trying to find an item in a list using a number that's too high or too low. For example, trying to access active presentation. Slides 10 when you only have 5 slides. Syntax errors, for example, expected end of statement. These are like grammatical mistakes in your VBA code. You might have missed a colon, a parenthesis, or misspelled a keyword. Logic errors, these are trickier, because the code might run without crashing, but it doesn't do what you intended. For example, the slides might be created in the wrong order. Precautions to take to minimize errors in AI-generated VBA code. Be specific in your prompts. The more details you give the AI about what you want the code to do, for example, exact number of slides, specific colors and RGB format, precise font names, the better the AI can tailor the code. Understand the basics of VBA. Even if you're not a coder, having a basic understanding of VBA structure, like how objects, properties, and methods work, will help you identify potential issues in the generated code. There are many simple tutorials online. Test the code in a safe environment. Before running the code on an important presentation, try it on a blank or test presentation first. This way, if there's an error, it won't affect your crucial work. Run the code step by step. The VBA editor has a step into feature, usually by pressing F8. This allows you to run the code line by line and see exactly what it's doing at each step. This is invaluable for finding logic errors. Start simple. If you're asking the AI for a complex task, break it down into smaller, more manageable chunks. Get the code for one part working before moving on to the next. Step 5. Run the VBA code. Now open PowerPoint. Press Alt plus F11 to open the VBA editor. Paste the code. Click Run. Voila! Your PowerPoint presentation will be automatically created with titles, bullet points, and even color styling if defined. If you're here, it means we share the same passion for stunning, professional, and effective presentations. Join our channel and get exclusive membership perks, including huge discounts on our premium template library and membership plans, plus a free presentation template every month. Also, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more such content and see you in the next video.